Hey guys, welcome back to Break Sand Garage. Today, just gonna kind of be tinkering around the house. Just got done fishing at a local lake, so I figured I'd show you guys some new things. I got some stickers. I got a whole sticker kit. I just don't know. I don't know if I want to put a bunch on there or not. And I got this one. I actually just bought this one because 1320 Videos is giving away the C6 Pro Charger, tuned, a bunch of cool stuff. So figured I'd show you guys what I'm doing today for work. Not much, but I borrowed this trailer because my other trailer was here and I didn't feel like unloading the snowmobiles and I had to pick up some stuff. So my brother-in-law let me borrow his trailer, and this is broken off. It's a latch. It's a Welding latch. It's over here too. So I actually went over to Tractor Supply, which is an awesome store, by the way, but sometimes their trailer stuff is a little on the steep side. So I went and got some grass seed, some hay, and load her up in the back of the Corvette, just because I like driving it now that it's running and it's pretty reliable. Still waiting on a few things to come in, gotta upgrade the fuel system and whatnot before we pound any more booster timing at her. I got some 1/4-20 machine screws because those always come in handy, and I got this latch kit which looked like it's gonna be the right one. So it looks like some self tappers have been broken off in here. We can probably get those out.
In my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate me, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can try me. If you wanna hate bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fight me. Ain't no motherfucker
Alright. So now with this off, not sure if you can see, try and get the light right. Somebody replaced this before and didn't do a good job cleaning this up, which I don't, it's fine. I mean, it's a trailer, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up really good, get everything nice and smooth, try and get an angle grinder in there and, you know, beat this thing into submission. Hopefully I can just break this weld. I don't know if I'm gonna weld that one on or just screw it. I don't know if there's anything to screw to because those holes are probably in the way. caught the wood on fire. Oops. Whew, it's warm. Real warm. Okay. I think I'm gonna weld upside down too under here because I want this thing to be rugged. Woo! Wow, got an ember in my sleeve and that doesn't feel good. Does not feel good. Okay. Whew, it's still in there. Whew, it's in the elbow. Whew, it's warm. I want that wood catching fire. Give me a wire brush, clean that up.
Cleaning out the roads with the paint gun. My paint gun and the paint can. We'll be on our way.
Alright, bring you in a close up, give you a close up of these beautiful, yeah, they're not that beautiful, but it's flux core. It's flux core. It's gonna work, it's gonna hold up. Yep, she'll be good. I basically used whatever I had laying around. I have some perfect match GM. I think it's black. Well, now I'm looking at it, looks gray. Might have some sparkles in it. This is just to make it look good. She'll be alright. It'll match the rest of the trailer. She's good. Give her a little one coat, 2 coats, and we'll give her 3 solid coats. I think that's good. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. There's some matching paint. It's welded on pretty good. She slides right in nice. It holds it good. And you don't have to use a ratchet strap to hold this side up. So that's not too bad for today. Someday I'll probably end up welding this one too. But I have too many other projects right now to mess with that. So we'll run over here. Oh, yeah, all right. This was an impulse buy. I actually got some C5 calipers. They're in really good shape. They're really clean. I have all 4, but I'm only gonna use the front ones because the back ones, they're just a pain. You have to rig up a hydraulic handbrake to get your emergency brake to work with these ones because they're all hydraulic. So I'll get those done up. I think I'm gonna get some caliper paint and paint these. I'll keep this Corvette, you know, like a polished aluminum look. And I have some slotted rotors coming in from Amazon. They had some, they're like 5-star review, so I got them. They're only like 76 bucks. I made sure they were the right size and whatnot. But yeah, that's another project that's coming right up. Things have been moving nice and slow. But anyways, you guys probably sick of listening to me if you've even hung in this long. So I do have more projects than that rolling in, so I'll have plenty of content to film coming up. So please guys, give my videos a like, subscribe, ring the bell. It really helps me out, helps my channel out, gives me the motivation to see you guys, you know, engaging with my videos. I'm up to right now 156 subscribers, which is more than I ever thought I'd get. So I appreciate you guys. Hopefully I'll see you on the next video.